It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Wednesday, the 26th of October. I'm James Spann. Yes, the chance of a shower in spots Thursday, but no. Many places will stay dry. Drought conditions will worsen. Afternoons very warm because of the lack of soil moisture, and hopefully things will break toward the end of next week. Let's go in there and check things out. Here's the water vapor satellite view. It's a dry air mass, some high cirrus clouds moving in from the west. We'll call it partly sunny today. Numbers all over the board this morning. Gadsden 45, Birmingham 65, 20 degrees warmer. It's another example of why this is not really a one-number place when you forecast early morning lows on a fair, calm morning. And everybody warms up. We'll be in the 80s today because there's just no soil moisture. And you know the deal, the sun doesn't have to work on evaporating soil moisture, so all the energy goes to heating the ground, which in turn heats the air. Heat waves and droughts go hand in hand like peanut butter and jelly. If this were August, we'd be way up in the triple digits. Around the nation, coldest air is up in the northeastern states. They're below freezing in many spots this morning. Got freeze warnings for parts of Maryland, Virginia, Pennsylvania, New Jersey. The growing season is ending there. Otherwise, things are quiet. Marginal risk of severe weather around Oklahoma City and Tulsa later today and tonight. Tomorrow, a little sliver of green over northeast Alabama. That means there could be some thunder there, but don't count on that. And on day 3, things are pretty quiet around the nation. This is Friday. Maybe some thunder out west, no severe weather. That looks more like it. This is the rain for the next 7 days, and that's insignificant. Only isolated showers tomorrow. And again, prospects of rain are just not good at all. The big numbers back in the Pacific Northwest. Atlantic Basin is quiet as a mouse. No tropical issues there. We do note we've got Hurricane Seymour in the eastern Pacific. This thing is very powerful, 150 mile per hour winds. It's a Category 4, but that's going to fizzle out very quickly as it gains latitude. No threat to land. So let's look for rain here in this vast desert of Alabama. This is the GFS, the 06Z run, valid today at 1 o'clock local time. You can see a little trough axis west of the state. And down below that, there's a surface low that's southeast of Des Moines. But we're dry. We'll call it partly sunny. Low 80s today. Tomorrow, a little surface boundary comes in with that low over Buffalo trailing that. And again, you can see just the air's dry. There's no dynamic support. Most everybody will be rain-free. This is 7 o'clock tomorrow morning off the high-res NAM. Maybe a few sprinkles over the northern third of the state and nothing beyond that. And then by 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, just nothing. So a mix of sun and clouds, high tomorrow close to 80. And again, just don't count on getting rain. Friday, a warm day. We're going to be in the mid-80s. Sky will be sunny. This is Saturday as the weekend begins. Same thing. I'm beginning to think we just need to use mid-80s because understand with no soil moisture, it's going to be amazingly warm. We'll be close to record highs. And the same thing on Sunday. The GFS showing now 85 for Birmingham. Initially, we had some hope for cooler air trying to nose in, but with the ridge, no. And with the no soil moisture, mid-80s look likely. Halloween, same thing, mid-80s. This is Tuesday of next week. No change. Here's Wednesday, the 2nd of November. You can see at 588 Ridge all across the Deep South. It's going nowhere. And down below that, it's the same story. Warm and dry. This is the end of next week. This is Friday the 4th. And again, there's a little wave well to the north, but unfortunately, I don't think that's going to bring the kind of rain that we're looking for, we need. There's a surface low near Madison, Wisconsin, and Milwaukee with a trailing surface front, and that clearly could kick off a few showers. Here's the European. This is, again, Friday of next week, the November 4th. So clearly there is some chance of showers out there at the end of next week, but again, this certainly doesn't look like a big rain event. But we'll take whatever. Again, the numbers are going to be way up there for a while. We are just basically in a desert type situation here. If we had soil moisture, those highs would be in the 70s, but they're going to be in the mid-80s for a while, then dropping back in the 70s and then 60s as we head toward mid-November. And again, November is typically an active month for showers and storms. So let's just hope and pray things get wet sooner than later. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. Can catch us this evening on the live stream of the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.